Hello, good morning guys, good morning. Today we are here at the terminal in Fort Lauderdale guys. So, ayan, kung nakikita nyo guys, nandito na po tayo sa United States of America. So, Fort Lauderdale guys is home to a lot of cruise ships traveling around the Caribbean. So, ito po yung itsura ng Fort Lauderdale guys. And ayan, hanggang dito po lang tayo sa bridge kasi hindi na tayo pwedeng tumawid dyan. Saka doon po tayo lumalabas guys. Alright. So, ayan, papuntang Atlantic Ocean. So, yep, dito na tayo ngayon sa Fort Lauderdale. And today guys is actually my last day on board. So, our agent is gonna pick us up anytime within the next hour. So, yep, enjoy na lang natin guys. And yan, pauwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. So, kailangan talaga guys after 4 months on board. So, yan. This is the United States of America guys. Yan, Lauderdale, Florida. Ayan guys, thank you very much for coming with me throughout my contract and also for watching my vlogs guys. And I do hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!